Hi, welcome back. Another important session. This is the question series I am running. This is specifically useful for your certification journey. Certain times in organization, you will have an internal examinations before your interview or else after interview or else after you joining the job. So don't neglect this series. So out of my experience, I'm explaining this. Knowledge is always useful. What is the question of the day? 15th. Choose options out to determine picking location in ECC or S4 HANA. Okay, so I'm giving options. You can choose out. A is delivery item category, B is item category, and C is storage location, and D is transportation group, and E is delivery document type, and F is plant, and G is none of the above. In these options, I'm giving clue. Multiple answers might be correct. Okay. Or else single answer might be correct. Or else all answers might be wrong. But frankly saying, multiple answers you have. Okay. So you can give a try and give your answer in the comments. I'm just waiting for the same. Otherwise, anyhow, I will tell the answer after a few hours. I'm just waiting for your response and your interest on SAP SD. No, everything cannot count with the money. Of course, money is needed, but knowledge is very important. Okay. So this is my YouTube channel. So if you would like to get more updates, if I'm telling the picking, okay, picking location, probably I might have what is the picking area and the difference, automatic delivering picking. Okay, these two videos you watch it, it might be helpful to answer this question. Okay, and more importantly, if you are really interested to learn SD at true level, you can subscribe my course. It is 106 hours. I'm just trying to add this video also over there. And if you would like to get into the real time, these two courses are must important. Everyone must know real time idoc training and consultants with business and getting master to write a functional specification. And I have a couple of courses pricing. I'm very interested in pricing. You are also like me interested in pricing. You can try these courses. And a lot many courses on S4 HANA, around 20 courses available. This is the right forum. You can able to utilize it. It is very much required after 2027. You require the basics of, customer master data in the form of BP. I have explained three scenarios. Better go through this course. It will definitely will helpful to you while you are started working on S4 HANA projects. All these courses, okay, and some specific courses relevant for real time, like in my experience, this is advance payments. All these are the incidents. If you would like to see something for your interview and the support project, how it works, and stock transfer orders and rebates, a lot many. We wanted to give it a try, you can give it a try. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. I wish you all the best, all the way. Jai Bharat. Have a great time with your knowledge and learning and your job. Thank you so much. Have a great